Not much work has happened in the monsoon session of Parliament, but one very important bill did get passed, and that was the Protection of Women Against Sexual Harassment Bill. The big question, of course, is how it's going to make a huge difference to the life of thousands of women across India. But will it really? Will women speak up in a society where they're stigmatized and blamed for sexual harassment? Will they file the complaints necessary for this act to actually work?
मेरी बॉस ने मुझे सेक्सुअली हरेस किया। मैंने डिपार्टमेंट में उसकी शिकायत भी लगाई और 2 बार इंक्वायरी हुई है, लेकिन दोनों बार उसके अगेंस्ट गई है, चार्जेस फुली प्रूव्ड हुए हैं, तो भी उसको डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन नहीं हो रहा है और मुझे हर तरीके से तंग किया जा रहा है क्योंकि वो सीनियर ऑफिसर हैं। हरेसमेंट अभी तक चल रही है।
Many women who spoke to us on condition of anonymity said they would rather not stand up and speak against the sexual harassment that they were facing in their respective offices, primarily due to the stigma associated with this. It's not surprising then that when the Parliamentary Standing Committee actually asked the states to respond to the Protection of Women Against Sexual Harassment in their workplaces bill, only 22 states responded, out of which only 2 acknowledged the occurrence of such in their states. The Lok Sabha passed the Protection of Women Against Sexual Harassment Bill without any discussion. Though the bill provides for an inquiry to be conducted within 90 days, no time limit has been set for action against the guilty, something that has disappointed many.
The confusion is that there is no mechanism at the moment described in the legislation passed, which will then look after the punishment.
The bill defines sexual harassment as physical advances, requests for sexual favors, sexually colored remarks. Domestic helps are included, a long-standing demand. What is upsetting many activists is a clause that states if a complaint is found to be malicious, action may be taken against the woman.
So she will obviously be deterred. So that is a part that has to be done away with.
Activists for men's rights are disappointed with the bill. They say that according to a survey, 43 men in Delhi say they have been sexually harassed at their workplace.
This is going to be a extortion and blackmailing tool which will totally destroy the workplace harmony. Make this law gender neutral.
Though a beginning, it needs to be seen if it can plug the systemic loopholes and nab the perpetrators. With camera person Vijay Patwal, Sneha Koshi for NDTV.
In Mumbai, a couple of days ago, a section of the under-construction metro rail bridge collapsed, killing a daily wage worker and injuring 8 others. Meanwhile,